Hey guys, Jordan again with Greenville Properties, and today we are at Sparrow Creek in Boiling Springs with a builder called Pulte. And this is Rudy, he works for Pulte, and we're going to ask him a little bit of questions about the build, the locations, the incentives that you guys offer, the warranties. I hear you have a fairly unique warranty that a lot of, if anyone ever offers it, it might be unique to you guys. And get you guys some information on some floor plans. We'll also have some additional videos on layouts if you guys want to check those out in our profile. And if you have any other questions, comments, requests, feel free to comment below. But thanks so much for having us here today.
Well, first and foremost, thank you. Appreciate you coming to pay us a visit and check out the beautiful offerings we have going on. And I'm excited to let you all know what Pulte has to offer here in the Upstate. I think we're going to find home for you.
So first of all, this is absolutely gorgeous. I like the high ceilings, 9-foot ceilings, right?
9-foot ceilings is standard here and throughout all of our floor plans. Here at Sparrow Creek, we actually offer 8 different floor plans consisting of 2 different collections. So we have our Summit collection, which offers 5 floor plans. 2 of them are going to be ranch style, single-story living.
Okay.
The other 3 are going to be 2-story. But we have a 2-story home with the owner suite on the main floor.
Perfect.
Which is fabulous.
Yeah.
Square foot range for that collection is going to be just shy of 1,800 square feet, up to about 2,800 square feet.
Wow. Okay.
Beautifully laid out and really well appointed. You have a lot of design choices to make your home yours and spectacular. Where we're in now, this is our reserve collection, and that's going to start at 3,200 square feet and go up to 4,000 square feet. It's a castle.
Holy cow. It is a castle.
3-car garage, the works. And if you're looking for...
Is that standard? 3-car garage standard with this floor plan?
For our Dempsey home and this floor plan, this is our Fraser. This one, you can configure it as a 3-car garage by having a tandem on one side.
Oh, okay.
And then another...
So tandem is where you park two cars back to back, and then you have a separate spot next to it.
And then our largest one, the Dempsey, has a true 3-car bay.
Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Or have a little space for your golf cart in that tandem.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Cool. All right. So let's talk about all over the place floor plans that you guys offer. So, people always ask, do they have primary on main? Like, how big are their lots? Do they have lots that back up to woods? Like, do they have smaller floor plans, which you kind of answered, but is that specific for this neighborhood or...
So we aim to have a really good variety throughout all our locations.
Perfect.
Right now, we're servicing Greenville County in Simpsonville at the Harrington neighborhood.
Oh, I love Harrington.
Harrington's great and great location.
Great
and
location.
They have a variety of home sites, some that back up to, private home sites that back up to no rear neighbors.
Yep.
Pulte's idea is we want to build a better product in A+ locations. So we're not going to drive out to the sticks for any of our locations. We're going to be where people want to be. For example, right here in Sparrow Creek, I'm 2 minutes from a Target and Starbucks.
Dude, this is a great location.
Yeah.
This is like phenomenal.
3 minutes from the interstate, I-26 and 85. So whether you need to go to Charlotte or Atlanta, we got you. If you need to go up to the mountains, to Asheville, Greenville, or Columbia. Great accessibility and wooded home sites. Home site lot sizes, they're very standard. They're very average.
Okay.
But some amenities that a lot of our communities offer, some of our communities are things like lawn care included. For example, here in Sparrow Creek, mowing, edging, fertilizing, fresh pine song and mulch beds for a low maintenance lifestyle living.
Okay. Is that monthly, yearly? Is that included in the HOA or is that a separate fee?
Included in the HOA. So, what I've observed is the lawn team, they're typically out here once a week. Just maintaining not only the common areas, but here at Sparrow Creek, it's your personal property as well.
So how much is that? How much does that run you?
So the HOA here at Sparrow Creek, it's $1,275 annually. Breaks down to about $106 a month.
And that includes lawn care and all of that?
I pay a guy $70 a cut.
No lie.
And then I pay another company to come fertilize my property.
Holy cow.
So apart from...
All right. There's some value there. Yeah. I like that a lot.
Apart from the lawn care, we also have a beautiful pool.
$100 a month, essentially.
Covered cabana, fire pits, playgrounds, sidewalks and lights throughout the community, beautifully landscaped, resort-style amenities. I mean...
Did you mention a pool? Is there a pool?
There is a pool.
All right. So You have walkability,
Yep.
sidewalks,
Yep.
which is huge. I have a lot of people, well, it doesn't have sidewalks. I don't want to look at it. You have sidewalks
Yep.
with lighting.
Yep.
You have a pool
Yep.
and lawn care for about $100 a month.
Yeah.
That's wild. Keep going. What else you got?
Yeah. Yeah. So like we mentioned, fire pit area, a beautiful enlarged cover cabana with, furniture and covered seating with ceiling fans. So it just makes for a great lifestyle.
That's wild. That's great.
And, amenities like that are, those are specific here to Sparrow Creek, but we have several communities that offer similar amenities.
I love that.
Yeah. Pools and cabanas are standard.
That's awesome. Okay, so location-wise, so you mentioned you're in Simpsonville in Greenville County.
Simpsonville, Greenville County, Harrington, here in Boiling Springs at Sparrow Creek.
So if I want to buy in Spartanburg, Boiling Springs, obviously you've got covered. Mm-hmm. If I want to buy in Spartanburg, Anderson, if I want to buy in Simpsonville, where are you guys? So all the locations.
So right now, we have another community in the Reedville area of Spartanburg County.
Okay.
That offers similar floor plans and similar amenities called Sweetwater Hills.
Okay.
On the east side of Spartanburg, kind of over by the Hillcrest Shopping Plaza,
okay,
we have two neighborhoods over there that offers a different price point. So if we have people looking for their first home, we have a community called Crestview that offers tremendous value. Homes right now from $260,000 to $290,000, 4-bedroom, 2-story homes, 2,000 square foot. Well appointed, 9-foot ceilings, quartz countertops, sub 300. Tremendous value.
Wow.
Yeah. Aside from,
I'm sorry, those aren't townhomes. Those are single family homes. Those are single family homes.
Yeah.
2,000 square feet, sub 300.
Yeah.
With amenities.
With the amenity there is a tot lot.
Okay.
And peace and quiet.
All right.
Right.
That's valuable.
It is. But the real value is going to be what you get for your dollar.
Sure.
And these are well appointed
that's
homes.
Huge.
9-foot ceilings, quartz countertops, luxury vinyl plank flooring, architectural shingles on the roof. One thing you're going to notice at any Pulte neighborhood is our emphasis is on build quality and construction standards. You can buy a pretty home from anywhere.
Yeah.
And our homes are beautiful. But what we really dive into is how are we building the homes? We do offer a variety of warranties. We do have a 1-year craftsmanship warranty, which is your bumper to bumper, fit and finish, cabinets, flooring, the works. We have a 2-year mechanical warranty. That's your HVAC system, your electrical, and your plumbing. Unique to us, we offer something called a 5-year water intrusion warranty.
Okay.
That's exterior and interior water intrusion. And we're able to offer that because there's some additional details, additional construction standards we build our homes to. Example, behind the tile.
I don't think I've heard of anybody else offering that.
No, I've never heard anyone else offer that. And there's some very specific reasons.
So any water intrusion, roof leak?
Roof leak is covered.
Okay. For 5 years.
5 years. Underground plumbing and your slab foundation covered. If they have water intrusion, say for example, you get a leak in the shower. We did some preventative maintenance. We put something called Curdy Backer, which is a waterproof membrane behind the tile work in your shower.
Okay.
To prevent that. If there's damage as a result of that, covered for 5 years. So
that's wild.
Yeah.
So really good warranties. All right. So you mentioned the 1 year, the 2 year, and the 5 year. What's the 10 year?
10-year is your structural warranty.
Okay.
That's on the bricks and sticks. That is your foundation. That is your framing. That is your trusses, the actual structural components of your home.
Gotcha.
And one thing that's really unique to us is our warranty is held in-house. So as a homeowner, if you have an issue, you log onto your portal.
So you don't have to go to a third party.
You don't have to go
directly through you guys.
And there's no one sloughing you off, say, oh, the warranty is going to cover that. That's us. We're the warranty. We keep it in-house.
I love that.
Absolutely.
Wow. That's a lot of great qualities. All right. So the creme de la creme for everybody out there watching, what incentives are you guys offering?
Absolutely. Affordability is the number one factor in what helps people choose
100%
where to call home. So with us, you have 2 ways to buy a home. We can do what's called a to-be built, where you pick your home site, you pick your exterior and interior selections, and you build it how you want it, where you want it. And right now, our current promotion is we're offering up to $25,000 in flex cash, which you can use a number of ways. You can allocate a portion of that towards your closing costs. You could talk to our preferred lender and buy down your rate, which helps with your monthly affordability. You could take a big portion of that and take a huge discount right off the top of the price of the house. Use it how you want it, however you see fit.
All right.
The second way you can buy a home from us is we do offer spec homes. These are homes that are under some stage of construction. We've already made all the selections.
So maybe not move-in ready, but already in the process.
Yeah,
being built.
We're talking anywhere between 30 days if it's move-in ready to possibly 90 to 100 days if it's at some point in the construction process.
Sure.
And for those, we offer things like interest rate buy downs. Right now, we have rates as low as 4.75%.
Wow. Okay.
Locked for 30 years. Select homes have up to $10,000 in closing costs in addition to the rate buy down. Beyond that, we offer hometown heroes discounts for our local military, police, nurses, teachers. Absolutely. And there's an additional $2,000 off as a way to say thank you to those in the community that take care of us.
I love that. An additional $2,000 on top of whatever incentive.
On top of whatever incentive. It's
That's
not
awesome.
instead of.
I love that. Yeah. I love that. Cool. I think we covered everything. Let's just recap. So we went through the floor plans, the builds, your locations, your incentives, and your warranties. So I think we're covered. Again, Rudy, this has been phenomenal. I'm going to do some walkthroughs around here and get kind of more familiar with this, but I love it. Thanks so much for having us, man.
Thank you for coming out. And if you ever have questions, feel free to come back anytime. And anyone's interested in Pulte, give us a ring. We're happy to serve and get you taken care of.
I love it. If you guys have any questions, if you want property tours or anything like that, feel free to comment below. Again, anything you need, shoot us a message, and we'll be happy to take care of you guys. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time.